Here for the next arriving R train directly behind us. Once again, the next and last stop on this train will be 9,000. If you need service to Bay Ridge 95th Street, wait here for the next arriving R train directly behind us.
No, not here. No, mira. No. No, what? No se va.
This is a 9th Avenue bound R train via the D line. The next and last stop is 9th Avenue.
Once again, as per train supervision, the next and last stop on this R train will be 9,000 on the D line. If you need service to Bay Ridge, there's an R train directly behind us. Next and last stop, 9,000.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. The train will be returning to the storage yard. If you need service on the D line, the D train will be available across the platform.
This is 9th Avenue.
stop on the train, last stop, no passengers, please wait here for the D train. Last stop, train's out of service, no passengers. Last stop on this R train, train is out of service, returning to the storage yard. No passengers on this R train, please. Last stop, train's out of service, no passengers. For Coney Island, wait here for the next arriving D train. Stand clear of the closing doors.